In the stillness between life and death, something extraordinary can happen. Many who return from that threshold speak of tunnels of light, profound peace, or even encounters with loved ones. Could our final moments be not an ending, but the brain's brightest beginning? In 2022, researchers recorded surges of organized brain activity just after cardiac arrest. Then came gamma waves, the same rhythms tied to memory, dreams, and consciousness itself. Instead of fading, the brain can flare a final burst of complex activity. The largest modern study, known as AWARE-2, followed cardiac arrest patients across multiple hospitals. Some survivors reported conscious experiences and observing events around them, even as doctors worked to restart their hearts. A few described vivid awareness during the very minutes their brains should have been unresponsive. To make sense of such reports, scientists created rigorous standards, measuring oxygen levels, EEG patterns, and interviewing survivors with structured methods. First-hand accounts, preserved by the Near-Death Experience Research Foundation and the Journal of Near-Death Studies, echo common themes: a sense of leaving the body, timelessness, a panoramic life review. These patterns suggest the mind under extreme stress may generate archetypal visions or perhaps touch something beyond current science.
I had a life review. Every single person I had ever loved appeared before me. I remembered what they smelled like, what they sounded like, faces from my childhood, loved ones I had forgotten, people who had passed years ago. Every soul that left a mark on mine came flooding back.
The last lesson was that my thoughts and intentions carry energy that impacts the fabric of reality around me, on people, on the earth. Each person has free will to choose what energy they want to exist as, and that energy gets mixed with everyone's energy, and thus the fabric of our reality is woven together.
In 2023, a Frontiers in Psychology study examined personality traits of those reporting near-death experiences. It found subtle links: openness to experience, belief systems, perceptual sensitivity. Some scientists propose that at the edge of death, the brain may release endogenous DMT, a natural psychedelic in response to extreme stress. In animal studies, this surge appears during cardiac arrest. Many believe this could help explain why, in those moments, life seems to flash before our eyes and memory and consciousness unite in one final symphony. Maybe consciousness does not flicker out like a candle. Maybe it burns brighter in that final moment, or shifts into a form we cannot yet interpret. At the edge, we find both fragility and wonder. Near-death experiences invite us to question what it means to be alive. Because in the end, the final frontier is not written in stars or galaxies, but in the uncharted depths of the human mind.